Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by assembling ingredients. Use 8 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup neutral oil, and 2 tablespoons lemon juice for a classic spicy garlic shawarma sauce. Peel each clove and cut in half, removing green shoots to avoid bitterness and ensure a clean flavor. Measure 1 tablespoon ice water and 1 to 2 teaspoons cayenne for heat control, plus 2 tablespoons mayonnaise or yogurt if you want a creamier, milder result rather than pure town style. Place the garlic and 1 teaspoon salt in a food processor or tall blender and pulse until you have a rough paste. This initial breakdown anchors the emulsion. With the motor running, add the 1 cup neutral oil in a very slow, steady stream, drop by drop for the first minute, until the mixture thickens to mayonnaise consistency. Then you can increase to a thin stream. If the emulsion breaks or looks oily, stop and add 1 tablespoon ice water or 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Then continue blending until it homogenizes. Once the emulsion is stable, finish by blending in 2 tablespoons lemon juice and 1 to 2 teaspoons cayenne to reach your desired acidity and heat, then taste for salt and adjust by small increments. Transfer the sauce into an airtight container and refrigerate. It will keep up to 10 days, and chilling helps it set to a spreadable texture. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons per shawarma wrap, dollop on grilled meats, or serve as a dip for fries, pickles, and roasted vegetables for bright garlicky spice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.